Thank you so much for this. Yazi, there's a friend of mine who said I should ask you this because she knew that I'm going to have a sit with you, and I did tell her ukuthi sizobe sikhuluma ngani. Wathi ngicela uzongibuzele kuyo ukuthi umuntu wesifazane maka kwi situation ukuthi uhlangane na someone amyekisa umsebenzi, ammovise out lapho behlala khona, amove in naye, propose within few months, and therefore from there aqala ukumtreat her like nothing. Mangithi nothing, kuno baby mama, and then she just discovered ukuthi uGuy usalala no baby mama, and ugel makangekho uGuy uletha abanye abafazi. uGuy akanqena ukubhubhula 10k ngeweekend nabanye abantu, shaya isilala ngabuye endlini la khona la ekhlaleni uya find out ukuthi uyalala nabantu balana, uze wamthola phezulu kwa baby mama. Uze wathola baby mama behleli nje yazi ama crate nekasi nalapho sinokuzibhayela khona utshwala, uthengela ngomuntu ehleli phezulu kwakhe. Uthe makangene ebuza ukuthi yini lento enzakala, wathi ke le papa ngwanaka ke ba papa bana ba ka ke batla tšhelete and ke tlile go tlola ta koloi, bana ba ka kgathetse ba tsamaya ka transport thathi moto endlini without her. And then indoda yakhona ithi nna ke le batla le lithu ke batla sithembu. Baby mama uthi hayi mina ngifuna nje imali yakho, ukhona while other people are there. Ugcine sekashaya abantu khona lapho. So and then uyazi ugeli lo yes ushaye amantombazana khona lapho bebekhuluma nonsense, but now uGuy unalento ukuthi uyazi ukuthi she's not gonna go anywhere, and she doesn't unomntwana ona 4 ugel, and akukho lapho zoya khona.
Kuphi kubo?
Use Eastern Cape, and manje uya graduate today by the way. Uye wathola the good thing that happened to that relationship, uGuy usebenza lezi zinto zabo government, so ngathi wathola ugel i bursary ukuthi I don't know whether it's bursary or something, but I think it's bursary. So wahamba yokwenza beauty, so uya graduate today. That's the only thing that she has. Uye wathi ngikubuza ukuthi kwi situation where you know awufunwa, and like uthole uGuy ebengagezi nokugeza, namanje makufanele ayetshwaleni fanele avala umnyango akhiye athi at least geza, ngizovula umnyango usogeza bese uyetshwaleni ke.
Ash. Yeah, ay thina machita mara siyaflop yazi. Phela leyo nto it's enye futhi iphathe wela kuma emotional abuse. Yabo.
Ne physical sekafunda ukuzishayela back ke manje.
Ene bayashayana.
Sekayamshaya naye.
Ene manje sekuzofika la izwenzeka phambi kwabantwana khona. So it's not good man, it's toxic.
Uzathi makangifuna lento lena ezichamela nokuzichamela ngifihla amanyala akhe.
No, that's toxic. You cannot if there is no respect, if there is no love, then
akenze njani ke
it's
manje?
over.
Because unomntana ona 4 akanandawo yokuhlala.
Akayenza plan mfethu, akaphume good man. Mina I'd say that yazi if bengekho physical, I'd say yazi thina and futhi kuya depend ukuthi una how many years. Mina I've seen
37.
Yeah, mina I'll tell you ngamine. Mina was a heavy drinker. Ngisebenze umsebenzi writing saseyintwana. Ngathi umsebenzi wemali.
Yeah.
And then ngahola imali eningi, so bengiphilela utshwala nabangani ngama weekends bengihamba. Angazi ukuthi uza kanjani ukuthi ungangazi. Yabo, bengihamba ngama BM. I was maybe one of the first few guys abu own ama BM le Swaneville le. Yabo, so I was all over. Yabo, and then I had lo umfazi wami. Yabo, and then now I can say situation yakhe it's similar to a yaga girl because of I can say beka tolerate some office into bengizenza because of yena noma wakhe bebangazwani and bengimphethe grand
ibi advantage yakho because you know she's not going to go.
Yeah, but bengimnika imali. Ya bengimnika imali naye bekasho na the time si right that she mina wami umuntu ngayiwa kuphi na kuphi, but imali bekanginika bekayenza ama fuck up, bekangibhaqa namantombazana, bekulala namantombazana front opposite nasedlaleni la sihlala khona, ngidlala namantombazana next door, but ngamthengela indawo, ngidlala namantombazana next door, ngibhizi noma baby mama, same situation. Baby mama azamtshele na ukuthi ubaba umntwana wami, and then she cried herself to sleep. I remember one day ngilanda khabo enye intombazana ngemvubu, saduma futhi story sakhona lesona.
Yeah.
Ngilanda ngemvubu, yabo.
Yeah.
so it was azange ngishaye
yeah
bekashaya intombazana
yeah
yabo but wahambe ngiqhubeka estradini ngemvu because nami ngiyazi ukuthi ngenza iflow maybe futhi enye advantage yami leyo ukuthi bengivele ngizehlise yabo and then safika endlini ngasincengezela ngamshasha yabo donsa imali la bengifihle khona thatha isimali ama movie yabo but ubekezelile ne kwafika la ngiphelelwa iSpanish eGrand khona imali yaphela then crowd yamajida seyanyamalala
of course
then crowd yamajida senyamalele ebathu ngimamulimo the angisana mali ukuthi kube nemali kumele ngithengise imoto I'm selling the cars mangithengisa imoto kune 5000 nyana ngimshiye ngenye imali bayabuya 2 nyana 3 nyana ngibuyela kule lifestyle moyijwayele yabona labantu baku I blew it you can laugh at them basiyakula lifestyle moyijwayele you want more noma banginikeze 10000 bazama something uzofuna uyo impress about those people again then you understand but kwafika lapho where we sat down and it was like yabona manje I can see ukuthi akasekho nomngane oyi1 uye lo umngane that's when amehlo avuleke ukuthi
you had to go through things wayifanele ngihlakaniphi usobhedelwa izinto life because naye lo uthi uyalunga makangena mali uyalunga but asoba nemali akangazi nokuthi ngubani yabo and now here's the situation unomntwana ona 4 uthi mangathi ngiyahamba manje mngane wami ngizoyapi khumbula uhambe lalana yonke le ndawo angamgulisa
nokumgulisa same nami it's one thing ebengiyisabela like mangizoma suphaphama yabo usesilong naye manje ines so before siqale silala ngecondom ngithi and then we said okay we are tired we've been doing this for a long time then we went okay asambe siyo tester and then siyazi ukuthi stila ngani and then we went and we tested negative
mara uthukile wena ngoba uyazazi ukuthi ubusenzani
yazi bengathukanga ne
yeah
bengathukanga cause lo bengihlukana naye sike sa plan ukwenza umntwana
okay
and then we went through ama in yeah and yeah naye uSpana Grand so bekasebenza ngemedical aid so bamthatha yonke into kulapho ke bengithuke khona
yes
but nakhona bengathukanga kangako yabo bamthatha amagazi nani and then I knew ukuthi ngisafe and then bamvula nama tube and then we ready ukuthi singenza umntwana so bengazi ukuthi
bathatha yena hayi wena
yena no mina ngiteste ngaye
ayenziwa guys lonto leyo
no mamela no I tested
but you know that it's wrong
After.
to test yes cause now ukhumbula ukuthi sinama blood type angafani ziningi izinto guys madoda nabafazi stop testing ama HIV nani through your partners cause kunama group types ngenza ukuthi mina ngingo blood type O ngihambe ngiyotesta nawe while I have it ngize ngikuthelele wena mina abuya ama results am athi negative
unayo wena
yes
so waba negative because O type I detect HIV
it does but it takes time ibonakala mostly when you are fully blown and then kunabantu bukhona manje abadla ama treatments guys where ithatha viral load ibeke ezantsi bakusho ukuthi abaguli ne
ngagcina ngiyotesta mfethu yabo but ngathesta ngaye so bengazi ukuthi okay ngi safe and ngambonga uNkulunkulu lapha ukuthi after the things I did
yeah
ngibe ngitolile yeah it's a good